Welcome back to another video, everybody. Hope you're all having a great day. Unfortunately, I just missed my flight back home to North Carolina for Christmas. Thursday, December 20th, which is today, Fort Lauderdale to Greensboro, North Carolina, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. I woke up, I looked at my clock, I'm like, I missed my flight. And I called Spirit, I tried to cancel, and they said that it's gonna cost me $100 to get my money back, but the ticket cost $120, so it doesn't really make sense. I guess it's because I already had checked in and they couldn't do anything about that. So I woke up, first thing I did when I knew that I missed the flight, I booked a brand new ticket, so I'm gonna be going back home. I actually just got back from the gym. I finally got a membership to LA Fitness. Let me show you my picture for my profile for the gym real quick that I got. There you go, you can see me flexing on my membership picture. So now I can finally go to the gym every single day when I'm here in Miami. And I've actually been like on sort of a break here, just really working on different things behind the scenes and bettering myself. I just haven't been fulfilled for the past couple of months. I just couldn't really figure out what I wanted to do, and I ended up getting back into fitness and eating good and everything like that. I'm down about 20 pounds right now, and it's been almost a month, so we're making good progress. In about 2 months I should be all cut down and lean. Let's go see what George is up to. George, what are you doing?
Bro? Organizing all the GoPro stuff. Look at this.
All this equipment for all the cameras.
So much stuff.
I'm sure you guys know George already if you've seen my videos. He's a YouTuber, does a lot of stuff with film, so all these random cables. And
so, look at all this GoPro stuff. This is all camera equipment.
Oh my god.
We have too much camera equipment, so trying to organize.
Gotta do 40 pull-ups every day. Also, I think today might be the day that me and George take out the Lambo for a quick rally to the Keys. I'm super excited to see if we can get this going. As you can see, George had this thing all the way in New Orleans on a rally going crazy. But this is actually one of the craziest cars you'll ever experience. I love it. So if we do go on this rally, I'll roll a few clips right now. So check them out. Lucy, we all had a great time down in the Keys. We actually ended up taking all the cars, the Lamborghini, the G-Wagon, Ariels C63S. It was just a day trip, so we went down there with everybody in the rally, all the different cars, and hopefully you enjoyed those few clips that we had. So right now what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be driving to one of my favorite beaches, because I always like to go over there, just walk. They have like pull-up bars and things like that. You know, just get some exercise, go out in the nature and enjoy the beaches, because there's not that many people that know about this place, so it's usually pretty empty. So I'm gonna head that way, and usually the guy at the front that makes you pay, he knows, he watches my videos, so if you're watching this video, I appreciate you, man.
Yeah, man, I seen your videos, man. I thought you were up there. Snow and stuff. This is
Oh yeah,
one, right?
yeah, this is the same one. No, I drove it down here. All right, man, take it easy. I appreciate it. Looks like we got a storm coming along. But anyways, what I wanted to say real quick after I just rolled those clips of the beach is really just to say that I think it's really important for a lot of people, whether you go to the gym, you go to a park, whatever it is, just to go somewhere and seclude yourself and start doing something where you're just putting yourself in your own mind. You know, you're not on your phone, you're not on your camera. I mean, I was on my camera filming for you guys for those clips, but what I do, I just walk around here and I think, you know, I listen to music or a podcast, but at the same time, I'm, you know, using a creative part of my mind to think of some different business ideas, think of ways I can improve myself. I'm getting exercise at the same time, because all around this park there's like pull-up bars and different things like that, like I mentioned. So it's something for me to do that's healthy, as well as just something good that's healthy for my mind, because, you know, I have fitness goals, so it helps with that, as well as allowing me to think further for different goals that I have and different business ideas that I may have and want to start. So the thing is very important for you just to get out of your comfort zone, or just sort of get out of your house and where you normally are in your workspace, and just find a new environment and, you know, use it to the best of your abilities in the best way as possible, just to let your mind think freely and get creative. So now I'm gonna head back home. I'm gonna order some chicken, because I eat chicken breast. That's all I eat every day, and green beans, and I'll see you there.
12 o'clock midnight.
All right, Ariel's driving this C63S instead of his.
Bro, I've never driven a C63S before. This is a brand new experience for me.
You know how to drive it?
Oh, Oh yeah.
You got the windshield wipers on, it's not even raining.
I don't know how to turn them off, bro.
Look at this spot right here. When I was driving down from North Carolina, the one spot that it doesn't wipe is right where your eyes see out of.
Very annoying.
Why do you even have the windshield wipers on?
I don't know, there's no point.
The reasoning for this drive was for Ariel to see if this exhaust sounds better than his, because he got a $4,000 exhaust, $5,000 exhaust on his C63S, and it sounds...
I think should we say the company? Because they treated me terribly on email.
Army Tricks Exhaust. Be careful with them. Their exhaust, not the best rep, but some they sound great, but for the C63S, not good. So, mine sounds better, Ariel?
Yes, a lot better. That's how mine used to sound.
Put the stock exhaust on. So last time we were in here, Ariel saw these. He's like, oh, I haven't had those in so long. I'm gonna get those. And he grabs them. And when he grabbed them and before he bought it, I saw that they were expired after like 5 months. I didn't say anything. Yeah. And then he bought it. And I go outside. I'm like, bro.
They were 5 months expired. And he didn't tell me. I bought them. And then I go outside. I'm about to eat it. He's like, yo, you know those are 5 months expired. I'm like, you knew this, and you still let me buy it and almost eat it?
Oh, that's so funny. Bad news. Ariel's ad account's disabled again.
No, it's not.
It was.
It was. I fixed it. Not really. It was set on a $50 limit for testing today.
But now.
By Facebook. I didn't set that.
Alright, it's turning red. We're eating some pops. Oh. No traction, no more driving. We go back to the house now. Alright, one tip for success. We're not buying your course. And he doesn't have Instagram, so you can't follow him there. But
I do not have course.
What is our life tip here for the night?
Try to get your work done early. Get enough sleep so you can actually be functional throughout the day. Because if you're going and running on no sleep, you're eventually going to wear out and just pass out and have no brain function. Kind of like some people that we know.
Like Ariel, every single day.
Not like me. Like, you know, it's not good to not sleep because eventually it's going to catch up to you and you're not going to be able to do what you need to do on a daily basis.
Yeah, Ariel's sleeping schedule is like from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., then 4 p.m. to 5 p.m.
It's mostly because I've been dealing with a lot of problems with my advertising, which is why I have all those weird hours, because I'm trying to communicate with all these different people, and it's very difficult. So, still trying to find a way to get some sleep every single day, no matter what you're trying to do.
Yeah, but I mean, that's sort of how it is when starting any business, I feel like, or just trying to get anything done that you actually want to accomplish. Writing a book, building a business, building a computer, it doesn't matter what it is. You're going to have to put that time and effort into it, especially from the start. Like, eventually things are going to start to autopilot. Ariel will make some money on autopilot, hopefully, make Ariel rich again. And then he'll be good to go and he won't have to stay up and answer emails. Like, I'm about to just maybe do a little bit of work.
Answer all my emails soon.
Yeah, I'm gonna just do a little bit of work, go to bed. Ariel, why don't you just hire a virtual assistant?
I don't know, I could. Maybe make a video about that.
Yeah, I mean, one issue I've always had is just the trust with virtual assistants, whether it's fulfilling orders, emails, anything like that. I've just always had trust issues. Just because you never know. Yeah. When it involves your money and your business, it's hard to trust some random person online. That's why I've always had people help me that are either in my family or people that are just friends I know in person. So if something happens they do wrong, then I can fix it and, you know, confront them about it.
Exactly. That's the only people that I'm gonna probably ever hire, are people that are close to me, unless it grows to such a degree that I have to hire strangers. But ideally, you want to hire the people that you know the best and that are close to you. So then.
Ariel's now hiring college and high school dropouts only. Send in your resume.
I actually do employ people from my college for my editing company, which is pretty crazy. People that I used to go to class with actually do editing stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought they lived in Albania.
What? In California.
I always thought Ariel's employees lived in Albania for some reason.
They're in the United States.
They just had I don't know why I thought that. But anyways, that's gonna close off this vlog for today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. There wasn't really any specific point to it. I sort of just showed my day here since my flight got canceled and had to figure things out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.